Hello, this is Keroy King, author of Divine Soul Whispers. Today I'm reading for you a poem on page 141. It's called Rose Colored Glasses. This poem was trying to see the silver lining in all things and coming to terms with all parts of myself, the good, the bad, the ugly, and reconciling all of them. Because in order to be a whole individual, you have to reconcile yourself, all your parts, the good parts, the ugly parts, the parts you had neglected, the parts that maybe you left somewhere else. Call everything back so that you become whole. So this rose colored glasses, I think it's along those lines. All right, let's go ahead and read. Rose colored glasses. As I look within, I choose to look through the rose colored glasses. I scan through my inner world, following the stream of life. Some good, some bad, some long gone, some yet to go. I start to summon and clean house. Forgiveness. I call upon you. You are much needed at this time. Abundance. Please raise your hand. Fill this place with your lavishness. Fill this place with your lavishness of plenty and pleasantness. Freedom. Reveal my constraints and set my heart free. Blockages. Thank you for your service. The walls can all come down. You served well. You can retire with honors now. Scarcity. Thank you. You can retire now. The abundance of heaven on earth is here to take your place. Thank you. Greed, envy, jealousy, abandonment, fear, rejection. You all served well. You are released with full retirement packages for your service. I call upon the Garden of Eden to take position. Duties resume immediately. Heaven and earth treasures are all here. Use them as needed. I conclude by saying, let love abide. Peace, joy, harmony, kindness, and all your fellow fruits of the Spirit take charge of this vessel. I thank you all for your participation. Let new earth prevail in the Garden of Eden, looking through the rose-colored glasses. Wow. I hope this blesses you. This is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon.